Okay, I have an EverClean 2 on a 20-inch HP saw, and I'm going to show you the method I use for no mess, no fuss, easy clean, EverClean. Start off with a can. Now, sometimes these cans are loose in the holder, and what you have to do is you want to keep it centered and a little bit snug. So you take a little crescent wrench like this, and you pick 3 points on the can, and you just bend out the lip a little bit on the bottom. Go the equal distance for 3 points. Flip it around. Do the same thing to the top lid. I found all these cans are a little bit loose. So when you do that, the can fits snug. You can hear it squeezing down pretty good. Okay, that takes care of the crescent wrench. Next thing you do is I found the best bag is a gusseted bread bag. It has gussets on the side. This worked better than my original Ziploc method. So you get these large bread bags, and I cut about 6 inches off the top. Take care of that. Then you just stuff the bread bag in the can. Open it up. You get as much of the bag in the can as you possibly can. You want to be able to have the bag expand. And there is a trick to that. Is I have an auxiliary nozzle on my pump, and so I can use it to put oil in here. And what happens when you put oil in this bag is it expands the bag naturally to the sides of the can. It makes it fit really nice, centered, snug, and you minimize any vibrations or noise from the EverClean doing it this way. There's another video out on how to add this nozzle and take off your pump. I use it to wash down the tank. There. Turn this off. So now my bag is centered. It's full of oil. Now I just push it down over the screws. Then you just tuck the bag over the top of the unit. Put your red lid back on. And snug it down. Didn't get it locked in. There we go. And I go around and tighten the screws a little bit each time on opposite sides. Kind of like tightening wheel nuts on a car or on your tires. Okay. Top back on. Line up the holes. Turn the oil back on with the EverClean. Turn it on. Away we go. This is ready to run. Now what you'll find is the bag is initially very smooth. The EverClean is very smooth. And when you first start filling it up with sludge, it may get a little bit vibrating. And all you do is you just turn down the EverClean a little bit until it smooths out. And what happens as the bag gets more full, the EverClean, you can speed it back up. It'll smooth out and be just like a normal empty can with no bag. Anyway, that's the process. After 16 to 18 hours, we'll come back and take out the bag. I usually let it run to 2/3 to 3/4 full, and then I remove it. And you can see in the next video, it leaves the can spotless. Have a good day.